Gaming PC build Anandit Infotech Bangalore. 10 machine ready, 10 number assemble. AMD 5900X processor, Ryzen 5900X. Motherboard X570 Asus TUF Gaming X570 plus Wi-Fi. Graphics card Galaxy 3090 24GB. Deep cool SMPs 850 watt 80 plus gold modular. Deep cool liquid cooler 240 V2. Corsair Vengeance RAM 16GB 3600 RAM Corsair Vengeance. Cooler Master TD500 Cooler Master TD500 cabinet. Gaming cabinet TD500 Cooler Master. Samsung 1TB 970 EVO plus NVMe 1TB. Anandit Infotech Bangalore. Gaming PC build Anandit Infotech Bangalore. All product warranty 3 years. All India 3 years warranty. 7-day hand-to-hand replacement warranty. 7-day hand-to-hand replacement warranty. Gaming PC Anandit Infotech Bangalore. Anandit Infotech Bangalore. Gaming PC. Graphics card Galaxy 3090 AMD 5900X processor. Motherboard Asus TUF Gaming X570 plus Wi-Fi. SSD Samsung 970 EVO plus. Cooler Master TD500 cabinet. Gaming PC Anandit Infotech Bangalore.